the rise, gotta work it, feel it.
Happy fucking Friday, everybody. Been working on the Forester and starting on the paint correction, and she is in much need of paint correction. I'm just getting a feel for the paint. Believe it or not, every car can be slightly different, the clears and the paint itself. This is a very soft clear coat. There's some deep scratches I can't really remove, but the general swirling and spidering is gone. Let's have a looky. So it's hard to see a lot in this light. If you have a look over here, no swirling. Look at that, beautiful. That is sweet. I've just tried. Now I've gone through a couple of these. I don't go and spend a fortune on ceramic coatings, but I'm trying this one today. Big boy, quickie. It's like a spray-on ceramic coating. Hydrophobic ceramic coating spray. I'm trying that, and I do have this one as well. This is the Mother's ceramic spray coating. I've used this on 2 or 3 cars and put multiple coats on, and it doesn't really last long. So I'll go through it eventually, but and it's a bit weird to apply this here. I'm spraying it on. It's like fine water. But just rubbing gently with a clean microfiber, and it rubs in and off without smears. There's no effort whatsoever. So I like how that is applied. We'll see how it lasts, I guess. Big boy! I'm doing this, as I said, first. We'll see how it looks, and then I'll move on. It's a rather large car to get done. Yeah. Small areas. Spray it on. Just wipe it around. It just looks like water beating up. And then it's gone. So nice. Oh, God. Oh, my God, Adam. Oh, my God. Obviously, if you pay for ceramic coating, you're going to get real ceramic coating. This is just a temporary protectant. So, made in Australia. Repco Max has it. Quite expensive. That was $79, I think. That CMX ceramic, I think, is around the $40 to $50 mark. Repco Max have a fair bit of Roops and big boy stuff there. I also grabbed this. I'm not happy with any of my cutting compounds. They all they cut all right, but they leave too much residue when you're wiping down. Either that or I'm using too much, I don't know. So yeah, if you want to give that a try, I'm pretty happy with that. And it looks amazing. Bellissimo. That'll do me for today. Going to work again tomorrow. Whoop, did you see that skill? Oh, dropped it. Fuck. Won't be using that again.